Well, I'm back the next day, and still looking good. I really like it. It's got a few challenges we're going to have to overcome, but I think a couple of unplanned things, but sometimes you got to go with the flow and figure it out. So I think that's hopefully what we're going to do. Here's the kitchen. You can look through there, right back through. The master bedroom in its hugeness. Nice and bright, I think, and it's pretty. It's a pretty view. And you can swing right through this door, and then it'll be connected to the bathroom. That'll be the whole living room area out here. Living room mostly in this area. I'll probably set up my desk over here. My wife wants to get rid of this door ASAP. We got it just to have everything closed in, but obviously it just doesn't give quite enough view and not enough light. So we're going to look into changing that door out as soon as we can. A little coat closet by the man door. A dog running around, chewing something, who knows what. And we go over here to the kids' room. And start bringing some tools in, getting ready. This is what I have on me now, but more to come, I'm sure. All right. I like being here. It's got that wood smell to it. I like it. Nice and bright. It's going to be our home. Here's the BBS. It's going to be our home. The big black Shabin. I hope you like it just as much as I do when you get here, babe. I love you.